Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, December 27th. You can see the stock indices really took off to the upside. Some of the fears I think have been calmed in the market. I do look for follow through to the upside. The magnitude change here in the S&P is $4,500 a contract. Magnitude change over here in the Nasdaq market between that bullish and bearish levels is 5,900. Down here in the Dow, the magnitude change between the bullish and bearish levels there in that market is 3,750. And over here in the Russell, magnitude change here in that market is $6,950 a contract. And again, I'm looking for follow through to the upside. What's interesting is the dollar. You can see that these red candles here. That tells us that the U.S. dollar was stronger. These currencies were weaker. The euro here, I am looking for unchanged to lower, but not a big move to the downside. I don't look for any drama there in that market. And when it comes to interest rates, I like the action that we're seeing here. I think it makes sense, and I do look for further movement to the downside in the 10-year notes. Even gold made an attempt at new highs, but failed to hold on to it. Little different story than what we saw with silver, but going back to gold, I'm looking for an inside type day in that market. Crude oil traded above its bullish level. This one I'm a little suspect of. I do not look for strong follow through to the upside, but the magnitude change here in that market between the bullish and bearish is $5,900 a contract. And I'm looking for an inside type day. Asia, as you can see here, is just a little bit weaker. Soybeans break lower. I don't look for a big move back up, nor for a big move to the downside, but rather an inside to only slightly lower move in that market. Now, wheat did trade just a little bit above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market is $200 a contract, and again, I'm looking for unchanged to lower in that market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.